Okay. Hello, all. How are you? Hope you are doing well. So, this is the ninth class for time and work. So, in this class, I'm going to take all the previous SSC CGL questions which were given in the year 2023 and 22 on time and work. If you get any doubts, please comment or ask. Okay. Coming to this question, 8 men can complete a work in 45 days. 8 women can complete the same work in 18 days. 8 men can complete a work in 45 days. 8 women can complete the same work in 18 days. So work is same. To complete that same work, 8 men are taking 45 days. And 8 women are taking 18 days. It means who are having more efficiency? Women or men? Women. Why? Because they are taking less number of days. If there somebody is taking less number of days means their capacity is more. Okay. So in how many days will 5 men and 8 women together complete the same work? Okay. So this is the question. So he has given some data that 8 men are completing in 45 and 8 women are completing in 18 days. So using that data, you have to find the relation between men and women capacity. Okay. And using that, you will substitute those values in the third case. That is, how many days will 5 men and 8 women together take to complete the same work? So that will be used in this last case. What will be used? The first case will be used in the second case to find out how 5 men and 8 women together take the number of days. Okay. So 8 men can complete in 45 days. This is equals to M1 T1 equal to M2 T2. Same thing. 8 women into 18 days. So from this, I cancel 8 and 8. So men by woman is equal to 18 by 45. So 9 fives are 9 twos are. So it means 2 by 5 you are getting. So 2 by 5 you are getting. It means M will take 2 works per day. M will complete 2 works per day, it means. And W is equals to 5 works per day. In a day, M1 completes 2 works. M completes means man completes and woman completes 5 works in a day. Okay. Now we got the relation, we got the capacities of men and women. Now in how many days will 5 men and 8 women together, 5 men and 8 women together complete the same work? First of all, how much work is there that we need to find out. So using this first data, you can find out that what is the first data? 8 men are taking 45 days. 8 men are taking 45 days. But you know, men capacity is 2 works per day. So 2 works per day. How many days they are taking? 45 days. 2 works per day and 45 days. Days get cancelled. So how many number of works you are having you will get. So that is 45 into 2, 90, 90 into 8, 720 works are there. 720 works are there. Total works 720 are there. So now we got the total work. So to complete this total work in how many days? 5 men and 8 women together complete the work. So 5 men plus 8 women. So their capacity you need to find out. 5 into men capacity is 2, 8 into women capacity is 5. So if you add both of them, it will be equal to 10 plus 40 is equal to 50. 50 works per day. So this 50 works per day they can do together. So how many works are there? 720 works are there. So 720 divided by 50 will give you total number of days they take together to complete it. 5 ones are 5, 2 remains, 5 fours are 20, 2 by 5, 14 2 by 5 is the answer. 14 2 by 5 is the answer. So third option. I hope you understand. I'm repeating the concept. So first they have given some data that 8 men can complete in 45 days and 8 women can complete in 18 days. You will use these 2 points to find out the relation between men capacity and women capacity and their capacities as well, okay, individually. For that, you will use M1 T1 is equal to M2 T2 relation. M1 T1 is equal to M2 T2 means in case of here, in case of men, we are replacing it with women. So 8 men in 45 days, they will finish some work. The same work will be completed by 8 women and in 18 days. From this, you got men capacity as 2 works per day and women capacity as 5 works per day. So using that, you will find out the total number of works. So from first, you use the value of men capacity that is 2 works per day in this. That is 8 men can complete in 45 days. So 8 into 2 into 45 will give you 720 works. So this 720 works is the total number of works. So 5 men and 8 women. So it's nothing but 5 into 2 plus 8 into 5 will give you 50 works per day. When they are together, they will complete 50 works. 5 men and 8 women working together, they can complete 50 works in one day. So to complete 720 works, how many days they take? 720 divided by 50. That will give you 14 2 by 5 days. Okay. Sometimes they will give you the options in hours also. So then you have to convert this 2 by 5 into hours. How can you convert? For one day, 24 hours. For 2 by 5 days, how much? Okay. 2 by 5 into 24. So like that also you can find out in terms of hours if the options are given in hours as well. See, a man, a boy, and a woman can finish a work in 10 days. Man in 10 days, boy in 10 days, and woman in 30 days can finish work respectively. So, in how many days can the work be finished by a man, a woman, and a boy when all of them working together? Okay, so their capacities can be found individually and using their capacities when they are working together. You can add their capacities. Using that, you can find out how many days they take to work that to complete that work together. Okay. So see 10, 15, and 30 is there. So we'll take the LCM using 5, 2 is 5, 3 is 5, 6. So 2 1 is 2, 3 is next 3 1 is 3 1 is. So 5 to the 10, 10 to the 10 to the 30. So total number of blocks are 30 by taking the LCM. So instead of doing this way, I told you one shortcut. In the previous classes, you can find out. What is that shortcut? See here. When you are asked to find out LCM or when you are required to find out LCM, you just take the largest number among them and multiply with 1. What are you going to get? 30. So whether this 30 is divisible by both 15 and 10, you have to verify. If it is divisible, then that is the LCM for them. So 30 will be divisible by 15 in 2 times. The same way 30 will be divisible by 10 in 3 times. So it means 30 can be their LCM of these 3 numbers. Suppose when I multiply with 1, if I get some number, If that number is not divisible by 15 and 10, then you have to multiply that 30 with 2. Then that number should be verified whether it is divisible by 15 or 10. 15 and 10, not or. So if that is divisible, then 30 into 2 will become their LCM, like that. Like that, you need to find out the LCM easily instead of going in that way. So now you got the LCM as 30. So once you got the LCM as 30, it means the total number of works are 30. And 30 divided by 10 is 3. 30 divided by 15 is 2. These are the efficiencies. And 30 divided by 30 is 1. So these are the efficiency of man, boy, and woman. We got the efficiencies as well. Now what he is asking, we know the total number of works, and when three of them working together, how would be the efficiency? This is the efficiency. So it means 3 plus 2 plus 1 will be equal to 6. So total number of works are 30, and the efficiency when all of them working together is 6. So divide 30 with 6, then you will get to get 5. 5 in 5 days, they are going to finish the work when they are working together. So what I did, just I used their capacities, like a man can do in 10 days, a boy can do in 15 days, a woman can do in 30 days. So I've taken that. So using that, I just found their LCM, that is 30. So 30 is nothing but the total number of works. And if you find the LCM, then it will become, after finding the LCM, you can divide this 30 with 10 and 15 and 30 to get their efficiency, that is 3 is to 2 is to 1. So when all of them working together, the efficiency will become 6. Total number of works are 30 and the efficiency is 6. So you will get 5 days as the number of days required to complete the work when all of them working together. Okay. So this is given in one of the CGL exams, and looking at the question, you can solve it without taking pen. Also, you can solve it. For your understanding, I'm doing it, but I don't use pen. Usually, I just look at the question, and in one step or two steps, I'll find out the answer. Sometimes for some questions, I don't even use the pen. So you should get that command. When you practice more, you will get it. Okay. Not only me, everybody can have that command if you practice enough. P is 2 times more efficient than Q. See, P is 2 times more efficient than Q. So suppose if I assume Q's efficiency as Q, then P's efficiency will be 2Q. So these are the efficiencies. Okay. So here P is able to complete a piece of work in 40 days less than Q. See, if suppose Q is taking 120 days, then P will take 80 days. Like suppose if Q is taking 80 days, P will take 40 days. So you assume P is taking 80, then he will be taking 40. He will take the least possibility. So when Q is taking 80 days, then P will take 40 days less than 80. That is 40 days to complete the same work. So when these two people are working together, okay, the number of days taken by them to complete the work, we are asked. See, when 40 and 80 are the days, you can find the LCM by multiplying with 1. So 80 will be divisible by 40. So it means 80 will become their efficiency. Okay. When 80 is efficiency, this will be 2 is to 1. So number of works are 80 divided by the efficiencies together is 3. So it will be 26. 0.6667. So rounded up to nearest integer means 27. It cannot be 26. Why it cannot be 26? Because it is 66.67% is approximately near at 27. It cannot take it as 26. So that is the nearest number. Like that you have to find. Next question. X and Y can complete a work in 9 days and 36 days, respectively. X begins to do the work and they work alternately one at a time for 1 day each. The whole work will be completed in. See, X is there and Y is there. X can complete in 9 days and can complete in 36 days. So their LCM is, if I multiply this original number with 1, this is 36. 36 obviously divisible by 9. So then LCM is 36. So 36 by 9 is 4. 36 by 36 is 1. This is the efficiencies for X and Y. Now what we need to find? X begins to do the work. So it means he will complete 4 works. And they work alternately. Means after X, Y will come. Again X will come. Again Y will come. X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. Like that, they will be completing. So in 2 days, 5 works. In 2 days, 5 works. In 2 days, 5 works. 2 days, 5. 2 days, 5. Till here, 20 works are completed. We have 36 works. So like that, 2 more combinations I need. Then it will become 3 more combinations will become 35. So 35 works are completed in 7 combinations. So it means in 14 days 35 works will be completed. 14 plus will be the answer. So only one option is there. So this is the answer. But if you want the accurate answer, in 14 days 35 works are completed. How many works are remaining? Okay, when they're working together, how many works? One more work is pending. So if they work together, they can complete 5 works. So in 1 day, 5 works they can finish. For one work, how many days? So one work, how many days? So cross multiply, you will get for 1 day, 5 works. So for one work, 1/5 days. So it means 1/5 will become. No, no. See, no, we should not take 5 because x will be working, right? So x will be coming into picture. So x will be coming on, it means 4. So 1/4 will be the answer. Because the next day x is coming and he will finish the 36 work. Then we don't need y even. So for that we need to take only 4. So 14 1/4 will be the answer. So next question, a woman or 6 boys, 4 women or 6 boys, sorry, can finish a work in the same number of days. So M1 T1 is equal to M2 T2 formula, just apply to get the relation. 4 women, days are same, 6 boys, days are same. So now, one second. Okay, so we have issues. So 4 women, 6 boys. So 4. So now I'll find out the ratio between women and boys. So is and W by B is equals to 6/4. It means 3/2. 3/2. Okay, was equal to 3/2. It means woman can do 3 works per day and boy can do 2 works per day. Now, a man can finish it in 60 days. Now he is saying man. So man and boys both are same. So here he is confusing, okay? But still you need to take man and boy as same thing because we don't have a man mentioned anywhere. Okay, a man can finish it in 60 days. So he can finish it in 60 days means In one day, you will do two works. So 60 into 2 will be 120 works are there, total works. Now these are the total works. Now you got the total works. So in how many days can five women finish the work, working together every day? Okay. So in how many days can five women finish the work? So when you are having five women, so the net work done in a day is each woman works three works. So 5 into 3 is 15 works can be done per day by five women working together. So when they can do 15 works, total number of works are 120 by 15. So it will be 15 8. So 15, 8 days, these five women can finish 120 parts of works in 8 days. Okay. Virat can complete a work in 30 days. And Daniel is 60% more efficient than Virat in 30 days. So a work can be done in 30 days means his efficiency will become 1 by 30. Okay, reciprocal of time is nothing but efficiency. We have done it in the first class. That is. So this is time and reciprocal of 1 by t is efficiency, that is 1 by 30. And Daniel efficiency is given as 1.60% more. 60% more means 1.6 times of Virat's efficiency. It is nothing but 1.6 into 1 by 30. So that is nothing but Daniel efficiency to complete the same work. Now is asking find the total time taken by Daniel to complete the work. So first you simplify this and take the reciprocal. Then that is the number of days taken by Daniel to complete the work. So then it is 16 by 300 because I remove the point then 0 comma at the bottom. So this is the efficiency. So reciprocal of efficiency is nothing but 1 by E is nothing but number of days for Daniel. So it means 300 by 16. So 2 8s are 2 150s are 2 4s are 2 75s are. So now 4 1s are 4. 8 are 32. 3 by. So 18 3 by 4 days Daniel will take to complete the work. In an office, a typing work can be finished by Monica in 6 hours, Anita in 8 hours, and Manju in 5 hours. If they work alone, individually, how much time in hours will they take if they work together? So it's a usual question only. First, we need to find the LCM of these things. 6, 8, 5. So you take larger number and multiply with 1 and verify that also you can do. But looking at the numbers, we can see it takes time. So we'll go with this procedure. 2 3s are 2 4s are 5. So 2 3s are 6. 24 6 4s are 24 into 5 100 120. So 120 is their LCM. So you got the 120 as an LCM. So 120 right here. So for men for Monica, 120 by 6, 20, 120 by 8, 15, 120 by 5, 24. So these are the efficiencies. Monica, Monica and Anita and Manju. So if they are working together, you need to add their efficiency. That will become 59. So total works, so 59, okay. So this can be the answer. So only you can eliminate these two. Okay, 120 is total work divided by 59. 59 twos are 2 remains 2 by 59. So like this, you can find out the answer. It's to identify just LCM. Here LCM is a little bit tough here. So next question, A's efficiency is twice that of B's efficiency. So I'll take B's efficiency as well, then A's efficiency will become 2. A can work only for 8 hours a day, while B can work 12 hours a day. If A can finish the work in 12 days, 12 days he can finish the work, means in a day he works for 8 hours. So 12 into 8 is 96. In 96 hours, he can finish the work. Having double the efficiency, he can take 96. So his efficiency is double means it takes less time. So B's efficiency is half of A's efficiency means it takes double time that of 96. So 96 into 2 is the time taken. In hours I am saying. These are all in hours. Because I need to convert everything into one parameter. So I am converting it into hours instead of days. Okay, but we need total number of days taken by B to finish the work. We got the total number of hours taken to finish the work. So in a day he will work for 12 hours. So if I divide with 12, I'll get the number of days he takes. 6 1 yeah, 6, 16. In 16 days he can finish the work. This is how we will do. A, B and C can separately complete a work in 12, 15 and 20 days. A, B and C. They worked together for 4 days. So you take the LCM to find out the number of days. So 15 into 1, no, cannot. 15 into 2, 40, no. 15 into 3, 60. 60 will be divided by about 12 and 15 to 16 is the LCM. So 60 by 12, 5, 60 by 15, 4, 60 by 23 are the efficiencies of A is B is to C. So when they work together for 4 days, 9 plus 3, 12. So 12 into 4 is equals to 48 works are completed. When 48 completed, out of 16, 12 will remain. So 12 means what will be the remaining work means 12 out of 60. He is asking the fraction. So 12 by 60, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 portion is remaining, or else 20% of the work is remaining. Out of 60, 48 will be 80% and remaining is 20%. 12 by 60 is nothing but 1 by 5. If you multiply with 100, so it will be 20%. 20% of the work is remaining. Means you can say 20% of the remaining work left. Okay, with this we completed some previous year questions. If you have any queries on it, please ask. Okay, thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, click on the like button so that it will motivate me and it will reach many people. If you like the button, if you click on the like, if you like it, then it will reach more number of people. If you comment also, it will reach more number of people as per the YouTube algorithm. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you are new, please subscribe. Bye. Take care.